This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Circuit Design Space app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So first things first is go to your Google Play Store and then now just search for the Cricut application. And then from here, just tap on the app. And guys, over here, just make sure you are running the latest version of the application. And if this doesn't work, all you have to do now is just go to your settings on your device. And then over here, just tap on the apps. And then from here, guys, just find the Cricut application and tap on it. And then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. And now for the third solution, if the solution I provided doesn't work, just try to reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall it on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and now install it back again on your device. And then from there, you should be able to fix your Cricut application and you should be able to use it properly. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.